We are in the age where technology and mankind seek to coexist in perfect symbiotic harmony. This is that WFH era, Web 2 moving to Web 3, the ever-constant pressure to keep up, in a world driven by the need to achieve greater productivity and efficiency. And you are right in the center of this fast-paced paradigm shift. The issue is, why do unfinished tasks steal your sleep? And how do we fix it? Permanently. To achieve sustainable wellness and mental health, you need a balance of everything, from the essential to the sublime. Studies generally reveal that your diet, an organized work schedule, and achieving your quality sleep are vital to this well-being and good health. The major challenges have always come from the constant feeling of overwhelm due to a never-ending stream of workload, tasks, and deadlines every single day, leading to regular burnout and ultimately, sleep deprivation. Here's a look at 2 weapons you can utilize on your critical journey to overcoming these challenges to your sustainable peace of mind and positive energy levels. Number 1. Your sleep. Credible studies have clearly proven that the amount of sleep the body needs for resetting and rejuvenation varies by age. Adults generally need 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to allow for physical repair and cognitive function reboot. During deep sleep, the body repairs tissue, builds muscle, and strengthens the immune system, while REM sleep is crucial for memory and learning. Number 2. The Zierganik Effect. The Zeigarnik Effect is the tendency to remember uncompleted or interrupted tasks better than completed ones. Your brain is wired to create mental tension to achieve closure on outstanding tasks and attend to these unfinished, open loops. And how can they complement each other? So here's the thing. Overwhelm and regular burnout is not only a state of mind, but it can many times be as a direct result of not organizing your obligations and deadlines into comfortable doses and schedules. Your schedule has to carefully fit into your essential daily routines and timing to achieve your purpose. The focus is in setting healthy boundaries and organized timelines. The essence is to dedicate time to organize and spread out your tasks into a predetermined timetable incorporated neatly into your daily schedule. Once done, these obligations can now be faced over apportioned days, weeks, and even months. Instead of going through uncontrolled marathon exertion binges that can lead to sleep deprivation, a drain on your mental health battery and potential breakdown, endeavor to organize and set a realistic pace for yourself. Controlled and efficient doses of work, aligned with a carefully constructed daily schedule, guarantees quality results and sustainable peak energy levels. This is a sustainable antidote to the pressures that lead to the inevitable burnout and mental exhaustion. By using your body's inbuilt ability to tap into the Zierganik Effect, you will remain naturally focused and mentally primed to attend to each session positively until you are able to complete the things you set out to do at your own pace and with relative ease. Next, your non-negotiable sleep schedule and routine. Evidence-based studies on sleep patterns have proven that the mandatory sleep requirements by age group range from 7 to 9 hours for ages 18 to 64 years, 7 to 8 hours for those above 65, and 7 to 8 hours for bustling teenagers from ages of 13 to 18 years. The key words are routine and discipline. Sleep isn't about nodding off only when your battery runs out or you're totally exhausted. The simple secret to improving sleep quality is to maintain a consistent sleep schedule. This is the ability to go to bed and wake up around the same time, as a routine, every blessed day. Ensure you set this vital routine at a time which will allow for you to get the mandatory 7 hours sleep. That is what can be referred to as the gold standard in sleep time, to enable your full body and cognitive reset overnight. Keep that in mind always. The summary of this is to effect a positive lifestyle reboot through a combination of patiently organizing your daily tasks into schedules and ensure you adhere to your bespoke sleep routine. By this and tapping into the Zierganik Effect, you will achieve long-term resultant success in overcoming that legacy of recurring overwhelm, burnout, and sleep deficit. The difficulty is in taking a moment to stop, reflect, and make that change. Once you get started, you will discover it becomes as part of your lifestyle routine as your own DNA. If this resonates with you, click the like button, share and subscribe for more deep insights.